You just spent $75 on premium synthetic oil, then ruined it with a $4 filter. That cheap part can starve your engine, let metal particles circulate, and speed up damage costing thousands. Today, a mechanic exposes the oil filters destroying engines across America, breaks down what's inside them, reveals which brands to avoid, and shows the 3 filters that actually protect your engine before it's too late for your car. This is CarCulture-X. If you want to protect your engine, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get into it. Why oil filters matter more than you think. Before exposing bad filters, understand why this matters. Your oil filter is the only barrier stopping metal particles, carbon, and contaminants from circulating through your engine. Every time it runs, microscopic metal shavings wear off components, carbon builds from combustion, and dust enters through the intake, all mixing into the oil. A good filter traps particles as small as 20 microns, smaller than a human hair. Cheap filters allow 40 to 60 micron debris through, large enough to damage bearings and cylinder walls. Over time, these particles act like sandpaper, wearing parts, clogging passages, and reducing engine life. The filter also maintains proper oil pressure, typically between 10 and 60 psi. If it fails or clogs, pressure drops, leading to poor lubrication and potential engine failure. Finally, it must handle oil flow in both cold and hot conditions without restricting or bypassing unfiltered oil. A quality filter performs reliably for thousands of miles, while a cheap one quietly destroys your engine. Filter to avoid. Number 5. Fram Extra Guard. Starting the list is Fram Extra Guard, the orange filter sold everywhere and one of the worst options. Cut one open and you'll see why. The filter media is essentially treated cardboard that breaks down quickly in hot oil, reducing its effectiveness. The anti-drainback valve is a thin rubber flap that often fails, causing dry starts where the engine runs without proper oil pressure. That repeated wear adds up fast. The bypass valve is also weak, opening too easily and allowing unfiltered oil to circulate through the engine. Mechanics regularly report issues with these filters, from deteriorating media to pressure-related failures. Tests show poor filtration performance, with more particles passing through compared to higher quality filters. Once the media clogs, it quickly goes into bypass mode, sending dirty oil straight through the engine. At $4 to $6, it looks like a deal, but long-term it accelerates engine wear and can lead to costly repairs. Avoid it completely and request a better quality filter instead. Filter to avoid. Number 4. SuperTech, Walmart brand. SuperTech is Walmart's house brand oil filter, usually the cheapest option at $2 to $4, and it shows. Build quality is poor, with thin metal cans, weak threads, and low-quality gaskets prone to leaks. These filters are made to the bare minimum standard just to function. Inside, the media is low-grade cellulose with weak filtration. Tests show it allows much larger particles through compared to quality filters, meaning more contamination circulating in your engine. The bypass valve also opens too easily, so unfiltered oil often flows through during cold starts or minor restrictions. Mechanics report multiple failures, including leaking gaskets, collapsed cans, and degraded media clogging oil passages. The biggest issue is inconsistency. One filter may work, the next may fail immediately. Even for older vehicles, this level of protection isn't enough. Using a cheap filter with good oil defeats the purpose. Spending a few extra dollars on a better filter makes a major difference in protecting your engine. Filter to avoid. Number 3. Fram Tough Guard. Fram's Tough Guard is marketed as an upgrade from Extra Guard. The black and orange can looks more premium. The reality is it's slightly better garbage, still not worth using. Fram improved the filter media from cardboard to synthetic blend. That's an upgrade, but the media is still lower quality than competitors. The filtering capability is mediocre at best. The construction quality remains questionable. Thin cans, weak bypass valves, anti-drainback valves that fail. The core problems of Fram filters persist even in the upgraded version. Testing shows Tough Guard filters about 10% better than Extra Guard. That's not saying much. They're going from terrible to slightly less terrible. They still lag far behind quality filters from Wix, Purolator, or OEM. The bypass valve still opens too easily, allowing unfiltered oil through. The anti-drainback valve still fails, causing dry starts. The can still isn't reinforced adequately for high-pressure applications. Fram markets. Tough guard for tough conditions and longer intervals. Don't believe it. These filters are not suitable for extended drain intervals. They're barely suitable for normal intervals. At $6 to $9, Tough Guard costs more than Extra Guard but delivers minimal improvement. For the same price or less, you can buy a quality filter from Wix, Purolator, or Motorcraft that actually protects your engine. Mechanics who've cut open hundreds of filters say Fram products, including Tough Guard, consistently rank at the bottom for quality and reliability. There's no reason to use them when better options exist at similar prices. Filter to avoid. Number 2. Economy. Brand filters. Economy brand filters are the no-name, ultra-cheap filters found at discount auto parts stores. Brands you've never heard of selling for $2 to $3. These are death traps for your engine. These filters come from overseas manufacturers with zero quality control. The materials are the cheapest possible, the construction is barely functional. They're designed to look like oil filters while providing minimal actual filtration. Cut one open and you'll see why mechanics call them trash. The media is thin, sparse, and poorly pleated. There's barely any filtering surface area. Particles pass through easily. The cans are made from the thinnest metal that'll hold pressure. Any pressure spike or temperature extreme causes them to fail. Mechanics see these cans split open, burst at the seams, and collapse under normal operating conditions. The gaskets are hard rubber that doesn't seal properly. Oil leaks are common. The threads are soft metal that strips easily during installation or removal. Many mechanics refuse to touch these filters because removal is so difficult. The bypass and anti-drainback valves are basically non-existent. There's a piece of rubber in there, but it doesn't function properly. These filters bypass constantly and allow oil drain back, negating any protection they might provide. The worst part is these filters sometimes don't even meet basic safety standards. They're not tested or certified. They're just cheap Chinese knockoffs flooding the market through budget retailers. Your engine is worth thousands of dollars. Protecting it with a $2 filter is penny-wise and pound-foolish. These filters will destroy your engine faster than running no filter at all. Before we reveal the worst filter and then the good ones, if you're learning which filters to avoid, hit that subscribe button for CarCulture-X. We expose the products destroying your car. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Now let's continue with the worst filter. Filter to avoid. Number 1. Used or reused filters. Reusing an oil filter is one of the worst mistakes you can make. These filters are built for single use only. Over time, the media fills with contaminants, the anti-drainback valve degrades, and the bypass valve weakens. Reinstalling it means starting with a clogged, worn-out filter that can't protect your engine. The media can't be properly cleaned. Contaminants are trapped deep inside, and no solvent or air pressure removes them completely. You're putting back the same debris the filter was meant to catch. The gasket is another issue. It compresses during installation, and reusing it often leads to leaks or seal failure shortly after. Trying to save a few dollars this way usually leads to much bigger costs. Oil filters are cheap, but engine damage isn't. Always replace the filter with every oil change, no exceptions. Filters that actually work. Number 3. Purolator Boss. Now let's talk about filters that actually protect your engine. At number 3 is the Purolator Boss, backed by our Sure Shield. Purolator Boss filters use premium synthetic media with 99% filtration efficiency. They catch particles down to 20 microns, protecting your engine from contamination that cheaper filters miss. The construction quality is excellent. Heavy-gauge steel cans that resist crushing and bursting, silicone anti-drainback valves that seal properly and last the entire service interval, bypass valves calibrated to open only when absolutely necessary. The filter media is densely pleated, providing maximum surface area for filtration. This means the filter can hold more contaminants before restricting flow. You get consistent protection throughout the entire drain interval. Purolator Boss filters are designed for 10,000-mile intervals with synthetic oil. They maintain filtering efficiency and structural integrity for extended drain intervals without bypassing or failing. The gasket is premium nitrile rubber that seals perfectly and withstands high temperatures. The threads are rolled steel that resists stripping during installation and removal. At $8 to $12, Purolator Boss offers excellent value. You're getting premium filtration at a reasonable price. For the cost of 2 cheap filters, you get 1 quality filter that actually protects your engine. Mechanics trust Purolator filters because they consistently perform well. Cut-open tests show quality construction and materials. Failure rates are minimal compared to budget brands. Filters that actually work. Number 2. Wix/Napa Gold. At number 2 is the Wix filter, also sold as Napa Gold. Same filter, different branding, both excellent for engine protection. These filters use a synthetic blend media with dense, uniform pleating, giving strong filtration and high surface area. Build quality is solid, with heavy steel cans, wire-backed media that resists collapse, and silicone anti-drainback valves that last longer and seal better. The bypass valve is properly calibrated, opening only when needed instead of constantly letting dirty oil through. Wix also uses metal center tubes with more openings, improving oil flow and reducing restriction, especially during cold starts. Filtration performance is impressive, capturing around 98% of harmful particles, keeping contaminants out of your engine. They're reliable for extended oil change intervals up to 10,000 miles with synthetic oil, maintaining performance without breaking down. Priced between $7 and $12, they offer excellent value. Many professional mechanics trust Wix or Napa Gold on their own vehicles, which says everything about their reliability. We're about to reveal the best oil filter, but if this information is saving your engine, smash that like button and subscribe to CarCulture-X. Share this with anyone who does their own oil changes. Now let's reveal number 1. Filters that actually work. Number 1. OEM filters. The best oil filter is the one your manufacturer specifies. OEM filters are engineered for your exact engine, matching the required media, bypass pressure, anti-drainback valve, and overall design. They're built alongside the engine, not as a one-size-fits-all solution. Brands like Honda Genuine, Toyota Genuine, Motorcraft, AC Delco, and Mopar are designed to meet strict factory standards. Quality control is high, and failure rates are extremely low since any issue reflects directly on the manufacturer. Filtration performance is matched to your engine's tolerances, providing the right balance of flow and protection. Pricing is reasonable, typically $8 to $15, making them a smart choice for reliability and peace of mind. The only drawback is availability, as they're often found at dealerships or online rather than every parts store. Still, many mechanics prefer OEM filters because they consistently deliver dependable performance. The real cost of cheap filters. Let's talk about what cheap oil filters actually cost over time. A $4 frame might seem cheaper than a $10 Wix, but the math doesn't support that. Over 100,000 miles with 5,000-mile oil changes, you'll use 20 filters. The difference between $4 and $10 filters is $120 total. That's $1.20 per 1,000 miles. But the cheap filter accelerates engine wear. Bearings, cylinder walls, and camshafts wear faster from poor filtration. This reduces engine life by 50,000 to 100,000 miles conservatively. An engine rebuild costs $4,000 to $6,000. A replacement engine costs $3,000 to $8,000 depending on the vehicle. Saving $120 on filters causes $4,000 in premature engine work. Beyond direct costs, poor filtration reduces performance and fuel economy. Worn engines burn more fuel and make less power. Over 100,000 miles, this costs hundreds more in wasted fuel. The opportunity cost of engine failure is enormous. Towing charges, rental cars while your car is down, lost work time, and stress all add up. Quality oil filters are cheap insurance. For $10 every 5,000 miles, you protect thousands of dollars in engine value. It's one of the best investments you can make in your vehicle. Cheap oil filters destroy engines. Fram Extra Guard, SuperTech, economy brands, and especially reused filters cause accelerated wear, oil starvation, and catastrophic failure. Quality filters from Purolator, Wix, and OEM manufacturers actually protect your engine. They cost $8 to $15, a tiny investment for engine protection worth thousands. Don't sabotage your expensive synthetic oil with a $4 filter. Use quality filters matched to your drain interval and driving conditions. Your engine will last longer, run better, and save you thousands in repairs. If this video exposed the truth about oil filters, hit that like button and subscribe to CarCulture-X. Drop a comment telling us which filters you use. Share this with anyone who does their own maintenance. Thanks for watching, and drive smart out there.